We are in the Reynolds Gallery. It's our final presentation of the project Sip and Scan. Sip and Scan is an interactive seasonal branding project. In this semester, we especially worked with a local client, Groundstack Cafe, and we created for them two seasonal branding, one's for Halloween and the other one for Christmas.
My participation for the project was to create a visual brand identity for Groundstack Coffee, and as well as create an AR animation to advertise the coffee shop. The most exciting part of the project was working with Groundstack Coffee. I never got the opportunity to work with a client for an academic project before, and that was pretty exhilarating. I'm most proud of the Christmas animation. I'm really happy with how it turns out. And I think I really succeeded in creating something that would resonate with a lot of different people.
I learned that it's all about putting your effort into it. If you don't put enough effort into it, you won't have anything as a product. Ideas is just there unless you make it happen. Overall, I'm pretty proud of what I have done throughout the semester.